guys, welcome to a video. I'm with this lot and today we're going to be doing the call out. No, Woodwork challenge. That was great. If we could get 100 plus likes, that'd be good. 110,000.
1 million likes.
110,000 likes. And these lots' channels be in the description.
Mine and Ben's.
Not Josh's.
Yeah, he doesn't have one.
Hashtag get Josh a channel.
Yeah.
And
yeah, let's spread that word.
yeah.
Comment below, everyone comment below, hashtag get Josh a channel.
GTJ, I never know what to say.
Oh! Well, no, yeah. Yeah, your badge. Crossbar. Crossbar. Great, that was sick. Mitch CG, link in the description.
Oh.
Boo! Got an injured foot, okay? Another vote. These two don't count. No! Oh! Why saved you? Oh, I think I deserve to win as well.
Nope. Right guys, I'm still gonna go for crossbar. I'm doing no look one.
He's confident. Crossbar. Actually, it doesn't matter. Right, everyone's gone for crossbar so far, so I'm doing the party. Griezmann, this one's for you.
Goal!
That was not even Ben's go either. Woodwork challenge. Hey, do you have an racing game next? Ooh! Oh, we got one of GTJ's fans. Come say hello to the camera.
Neymar.
What's your name?
Toby.
Anything to say to the camera?
No.
Right guys, this go I'm gonna change it up a bit. I'm gonna go for the left post. Oh.
You did not just know me.
We've looked over the footage and it counts because it's literally on the corner of both. Right. So yeah, literally exactly on the corner. Yeah, I'll take those.
That counts as a try.
God's sake. Josh! Well then, GTJ. Everyone, GTJ, round of applause! Guys, all I have to do now is hit that bottom right. What? And I won. Oh. Hey! Because I hit you with a chop. No, chop. You hit me with a chop. Oh! I had to hit the crossbar. Give me Peters.
I might just do what Josh done earlier. Yeah, so we've cut this like in half as well.
Oh dear, we are in trouble.
I've been joking the whole time. This is actually gonna hit. Okay, I'm joking.
Make the ground shake.
Hello everybody, welcome to a video where today we're going to be doing the crossbar challenge.
Get low when the whistle go. 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 Get low when the whistle go.
Me and Josh know. Uncle. Get low when the whistle blows. Get low when the whistle blows.
Possess that you can't get.
Yeah, I'll play now. I'll play now.
Get low when the whistle blows.
Get low on the whistle.
Right guys, if you're still watching this after like 26 minutes, so it's probably not going to be that, but it's 26 minutes at the moment, so still watching, well done.
You made it alive! I'm gonna win this, guys. It's not Josh. Crossbar! Nope. We still have it here.
Way up in the northern skies.
Get out the way.
It's a shame. Comes on.
Get out the way.
And I can hit it now!
It's not even in camera! It's not even in camera! My head's in the...
Need to say thank you to my dad, not my brother's knob. I love you all, come on guys.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. The winner was Josh.
Yeah. I'm gonna win this, guys. It's not Josh.
So if you enjoyed this video and lasted all the way to the end, thanks.
Don't like.
And get this shot.
Dislike.
You see his crossbar?
Yeah,
You get
see
it.
this crossbar.
You getting this, right?
Alright, I'll So thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.
And subscribe.